Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video on the unboxing and working of this Almonard Medium Duty fresh air fan. The sweep size is 12 inches or 300 millimeters or 30 centimeters. As the information given on the box, consumes 90 watt, has an RPM of 1350. Sweep is 305 millimeters, that is 12 inches. Maximum retail price is 1700. You will get it for lower price in your local shop. This is the box view. It's used for in kitchen and bathroom to expel out the bad air. It's not meant for industrial purposes, and though I think it does a very good job. It has a 2-year warranty provided. So now let's move on to the unboxing of the fan. This is the warranty card for the fan. If you don't get this signed, your warranty will be void. If your fan gets tampered or any other extreme condition happens to it within the time period of 2 years. This is our main unit. It also has a back grill provided with it. This is to cover the back of the exhaust fan and to prevent any type of birds or anything from entering. This is made up of plastic. Now let's take out our main unit. This is the main unit. Let's take it out. So this is the main unit. It has a cord type cable given with it. I assume the length of this must be half a meter to 1 meter. It has a cord equipped with it so that people with sockets can install them. If there are not sockets, you can cut the plug head off, strip off some wires, strip off the wires here, then you can connect the wires given inside this multi-core wire. The build quality of this fan is very good. It's quite robust and strong. This is the specs plate of the fan. Serial number has also been given. This is the back of the fan. Now I would like to show the working of the fan so that you might understand how powerful it is. Now let me demonstrate to you the working of the fan. It's quite powerful, very powerful this is. Very powerful. I can feel the breeze still here. No. It's the back view I showed you. Fan is quite powerful and I like the airflow of it very much. It's very suitable for your kitchens, bathrooms. It will throw out a lot of air in quick time. So I recommend all viewers to purchase this fan. This fan is a very powerful and robust fan. This fan gives a very good air throw. It's excellent for kitchens. The color is also very good as it is black color. It will not show any stains of grease or anything else. Powder coated to perfection. Here the full thing is made up of aluminium. The only disadvantage is that it has a shaded pole motor which consumes 90 watt, which is too much. For any normal capacitor type induction motor, it will only consume 60 to 70 watts maximum, 60 to 70 above. That is the only disadvantage, but in fact overall this is a very powerful, very strong fan. So I recommend all viewers who are in need to purchase an exhaust fan to purchase this. This is exclusively a very good product made by Almonard. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.